What's going, guys? Your girl back in the kitchen cooking some rice and peas today. I'm doing rice and gungo, and I'm gonna do some oxtail. So just stick around and cook with your girl. So I already seasoned up my pot with some thyme and scallion and pepper, and I'm going in with some garlic powder and onion powder. I'm going in with some rice and peas mix. And I'm just going to add a little bit of my chicken seasoning. I don't use salt because the seasoning are salty and I'm trying to cut down on sodium. So I'm just going to allow this now to boil for about 3 minutes, and then I'm going to add the rice. Oh, sorry guys, I'm forgetting the pimento seeds. Okay guys, so here's the oxtail. So we're gonna season, so I'm adding some pimento seeds. I add a little bit of my all-purpose seasoning, and I have this oxtail seasoning that I'm going to add. Just generous amount of seasoning. You can use your favorite seasoning to season your oxtail. And I'm adding some paprika, black pepper, garlic powder and onion powder, some of my chicken seasoning. Yes, I put chicken seasoning on my oxtail. So I'm going to add some crushed garlic, browning, generous amount. Some people like their meat darker. I just like it normal. Ginger, pepper. Guys, so I'm just gonna rub this in now, and I'm going to leave it just for like 5 minutes because I don't have the time. It's Sunday and I need to go to church. But you can always marinate your meat longer, your choice. Still gonna taste good. So I'm gonna add this now to the pressure cooker. Okay guys, so what I did, I just had some water to the pan, and I'm just gonna add that water to cook the oxtail. And then gonna leave it to pressure cook for half an hour. Then we're gonna come back and finish up. Alright, so we're gonna add the rice now because all of the seasoning kind of boil out into the water. So we're just adding rice. And of course we're gonna stir this in. Wow. Look at that nice gungo. So we're just gonna cover this now and leave it to cook. Okay, so we have some seasoning that we're gonna saute. I just put a little bit of oil in the pot, and I'm just gonna saute this for like a minute or two. And this is our oxtail. It's finished pressure cooking. So this is fine, this is okay. So now I'm going to add the oxtail. So it depends on your oxtail if it's still a little bit hard, because I don't like to pressure cook it right through. I like to finish cooking it on the stove. So if it's still a little bit hard, cover the pot. But if it's nice and tender, then you just want the gravy to reduce, so you just leave the pot open. Okay, stay tuned for the final result. So after about 2 minutes or 3 minutes, I came back and I said, let me taste the pot. So I tasted it, and I'm gonna top it up with a bouillon. Okay, goodies, so as you can see, the gravy reduced and the oxtail cook nice and thick, curly, and the oxtail well cooked, nice and soft. So we turn off the stove. Just gonna share this up now with some of the rice and bungo peas. Juicy.